Why do you think that my weight loss journey stuck with me for the last 10 years and yours not even 6 months? But you lost 5 kgs and gained 10 kgs back. Why do you think this happened? What are the real secrets of this sustainability? Everything about my secrets and those that I've been sharing with all of my clients is what you are going to hear in this video. So let's get started. You all know about my weight loss journey. That's what made my internet presence so amazing. And your love and your support made us come this far. That I'm writing books, helping and transforming thousands of clients. But there is something right that I did in the last 10 years which helped me in this sustainable health. It's not like I have never had my ups and downs. We all do. But basics remains the same. Those basics that helps you sustain your weight loss forever. Those basics are my secrets. Let's quickly get started. By the end of the video, you will be a person who never gets back to its original shape, who never bounces back. So stay tuned for these life-changing secrets. First and very important basics. I never chased shortcuts. No matter how tempting it looks, I never ran behind a shortcut tool. I did my fair share of mistakes in the beginning of my journey, but since the last 10 years when I have acquired that knowledge, that I know that losing 10 kgs in 10 days or 21 days never sustains and is not actually real change that's been happening, you know that chasing shortcuts does not help. This is basic and that's what I have been stressing a lot. But I know that many people still fall for this trap. They go for weight loss supplements, they go for Mounjaro or Ozempic and whatnot. I don't want to name these weight loss supplement brands that sell you those shortcuts and we get excited about the fact, okay, I don't have to do anything and just follow this trap and I'll get the results. You will get the results, but for how long? The methods are not authentic. They're not scientific. What you have been falling for is a trap. I know that when you are 110 kgs or 120 kgs, things become very difficult. You are mentally weak. You don't know how to go forward. And that's when you see any of these sparkling shortcuts, it feels like gold and you just fall for that trap. However, you're not here for a 2-month or 3-month game. We are here for a long journey. And you want to look your best, not just for a few days, but forever. And to fight aging, to be able to deal with the coming changes in your body as you grow old, what you need is the right guidance with good health. So, no chasing of shortcuts. Second, weight loss journey will never be interesting. It will be repetitive and boring. You have to keep doing things again and again. Yes, you can make it interesting by trying new things and enjoy it by the process of that repetition, and you start enjoying that boring process as well. To that point, you have to enjoy and embrace that change. And that's not easy. It can never be easy. And who sells you the other way, they are not selling you anything authentic. The weight loss journey will be boring, repetitive. You have to keep finding for protein sources. Every day will be a battle. You will have to look for days when you don't want to do anything. There will be days when you don't enjoy this journey at all. Rest days, recovery days. There will be sleepless nights, mindless binging, and still you are at it to achieve that goal. That's what makes the bigger impact and the change that you're looking for. Looking for a healthier alternative outside, getting a high protein ice cream or high protein chips or popcorn will not make your health journey interesting. It's just a gimmick selling you or marketing you some products in the name of good health. They are not healthy. They're just there to excite you in that boring journey. Remember, the food that you put inside your body will be repetitive and boring if you really want to make any change. Third, very basic but very important. Spending that 1 hour in the gym or doing that 1 hour of physical activity will not make you lose weight. You have to keep yourself active throughout the day. When I say this, I come from lot years of experience of myself and my clients. I know that it might sound very basic, like I'm doing such strenuous regressive exercise in gym. If that's not making a difference, how come my 10,000 steps will make a difference? It does. It keeps you active throughout the day and not at a stretch. I'm not saying that you have to walk for 10,000 steps at a stretch. That will again make no difference. The entire day, how active you keep your lymphatic system, how actively blood flows in your body will keep your metabolic activity high. And hence, you will see the change happening. Not in one day, not in 2 days, not in weeks, and not in months. But when you see it, you will see exceptional change. So, keeping yourself active throughout the day makes a huge difference. Spacing your movement activity, your step count throughout the day is very important, not at a stretch. So walking after your meals 2 to 3,000 steps is not only good for your fat loss, but for your insulin sensitivity. Because after your meals, the uptake of glucose by your muscles is really high, and hence it helps you manage your insulin levels and your blood glucose levels. So not just that 1 hour of physical activity that you spend in the gym, but the entire day when you have to keep yourself active. That's where you're going wrong right now. Most of my clients have been making this huge mistake of underestimating the power of the organs that have been given to you. We think, okay, this metabolic booster might help me boost my metabolism, or this particular probiotic can help my digestion get better, or this particular thing can make me lose fat faster. However, you have your internal organs given to you by nature that helps you boost your metabolism and digestion, and we underestimate the power of chewing. If you give 30 to 40 minutes to your meals, you will chew it faster, it boosts your satiety, you will never end up overeating your meals, and the kind of digestion that you're looking for is coming from that 30 to 40 minutes of time that you spend with your food. The time and energy that you're giving to your meals makes the entire difference. So in the last 10 years, I've not done much for my health specifically. I am regular with my physical activity, but few of the other things and secrets that I am regular with is spending time with my meals. Whenever I eat, I make sure that I eat slow and I don't hop on what I'm eating, because that makes it, no matter how busy I am, even if I'm eating just 2 meals a day, those meals will be as slow as possible. That's what slows down your aging and speeds up your digestion. That's when you stay away from all of these metabolic boosters, because you don't need them. You just need this time and attention that you need to give to your meals. Last but not the least, focus. Don't get derailed with lot of noises that are there, obviously, because of internet. There is a lot of misinformation out there. There is a very simple basic rule to get the right kind of results, and that is focus. Focus on taking good quality protein, adequate amount of nutrients. Follow the above 4 steps and you will get the results that you're looking for. And not just for like 2 months or 3 months. You will never bounce back if you're focused enough. That focus should not be deviated by the noises that you hear around. Okay, take this, you will get the result. Take this. Because, you know, in the time and age that we're living in, everybody is a doctor, everybody is a nutritionist, everybody is a health coach. But unfortunately, none of them have the right kind of information. Even I have the limited information. This space is continuously evolving, and I get that experience and the information from the research papers I read or the client experiences that I've had. That all contribute to my knowledge and coming here and sharing it with all of you. How do you believe people just randomly hearing something on internet and coming and giving that knowledge to you, and you start believing it for yourself? So don't get derailed with these noises. Just focus on your goal and keep on doing it again and again, repetitively, rigorously. You will achieve what you're planning to achieve, and not just for days, months, or years, but forever. Because basics remains the same. No matter what trend is coming and going, your ethos should stay the same. And that's all about it. These were some basic secrets that I have been following since last 10 years. And I've been sharing it with all of my clients as well. I know most of them you also know very well. And I hope that you will get some great results out of it. If you need any personalized guidance, because you might have a pre-existing health condition and you're finding it very hard to transform your body, you can just go down below in the description box, and you can fill the form to get on a call with me one-on-one, or you can join my programs, because we've designed all of these programs with a lot of love and effort and experiences that we have had. So yes, right now in the age of AI, information is all out there, but our focus is to make you follow it, and execution with the kind of guidance that we provide. So I hope you will find it useful. Stay tuned for the upcoming amazing meal prep vlogs on this channel and lot many things. So yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along. I am very excited to see all of you in the upcoming videos. Share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you very soon. Stay fit, stay happy. Bye.